ChynaCheeks coming to you with another video. Told you I was gonna be back. Today's video is actually going to be a quick video, actually another purse haul, a new bag, and I want to show y'all because I think it's new to me, but it's not a new bag, but I just fell in love with it, and it's so simple, but I just wanted to show y'all. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. We're on the road to, I think, 3K now, so let's get on to it. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss an upload, girl. Okay, so let's get on to the video. Actually going to be a purse haul. Like I said, I came across this. I needed an all black bag. I have every color bag but a black bag, and I needed one because I'm going on a trip soon, and I just needed a black bag to match the looks, you know what I'm saying? So the bag that we're actually going to talk about, I actually found on Amazon searching, because your girl searches everything for Amazon first if I don't know where to get it from. And yeah, so the bag that we're going to be talking about today is this beauty here. Okay, here is the strap. This bag is actually called the Greenwald, and this is the Aldo bag. And I know y'all like, child, you showing us the Aldo bag. I never actually shopped at Aldo before, so this is my first time. Yeah, so this bag, like I said, it's a Greenwald crossbody bag, but I'm not gonna be wearing it as a crossbody. As you can see, this bag is one thing about this bag, y'all. This bag is so heavy, like, and I love that. It has very good quality. To me, it's like almost a dupe to the Chanel boy bag, but you know, girl got Chanel coins right now, so this is my Chanel. But it's an Aldo bag. So yeah, as you can see, it is this beautiful leather bag, maybe for leather, I don't know, girl, but it has this cute chevron like detail, and it has the chain going all across the bag, which I love. And it has this very long strap for the big bodies, you know what I'm saying? Because one thing about being a plus size girl, it's hard to find a bag that actually goes over you, you know what I'm saying? When it can actually go over you, you could carry this crossbody or actually on your shoulder, and it's not a small bag. It actually fits a lot. It's a metallic closure, as y'all can see, and it don't look like it's a big bag, but it can fit a lot. It fits what I needed to fit in this bag. We'll say that. Like I said, it does have the metal closure, and the inside is like envelopes. So you got two compartments here, two compartments, and we got one pocket, two pockets, three pockets, four pockets. So like I said, this bag can fit a lot. Yeah, so the bag was $65, and if you guys want me to show you guys what's in my bag, which y'all can see nothing right now because I just got her today, she was $65, and yeah, like, this is definitely a staple in your wardrobe. Go get this bag, y'all. This bag was $65 on Amazon, on actual Aldo website, because I'll compare prices. I got it Prime. And one thing I will say, y'all, I got this bag. I ordered this bag at like 5 in the morning, and it got here like 10 in the morning. It came like same day. I don't know what Amazon got going on, or what type of people y'all got working, but that was fast. That was fast as heck. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my bag. The bag is gonna have gonna be a staple, like I said, in my wardrobe. It's gonna go with a lot of things. Could go with anything. You could wear that bag with anything. You could dress it up or down. But I know for a fact that is going to be my everyday bag, because of the fact that I can wear it with everything, and it is a perfect mommy bag too. So I could fit Honor stuff in there too, like just pull-ups and all that, and all unnecessary stuff that I carry in my bag anyway. So, but yeah, it could fit your phone, your wallet, all that. Your phone, your wallet. Honestly, about 5 pull-ups if you mean 5 pull-ups. You know, y'all, my baby is potty trained, by the way. Let's give it up for my baby. She's just potty trained, but we still doing the pull-up thing. You know what I'm saying? If your mommy, you know. But yeah, it can carry all that in there, a little snack, all of that. Okay, all this hair. I don't know why I put this hair on and put lip gloss on. No, it's gonna stick to my hair. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this video. And again, be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And this was just a quick new bag review. I will get that bag as 10 out of 10. Hands down. Like, the bag is dope. Love it. Yeah. So yeah, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you guys want to see. I know it's like a gap in between videos, but it's because I'm trying to manage, I'm still trying to get used to this, even though I should be used to this because I've been doing this for years, but I'm trying to do it full time now. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe for my videos like this. What should we call it? And I don't know yet, but I don't want to call y'all Chyna gang because that sounds so we're gonna call y'all Chyna crew. I don't know. How about we call y'all the Chyna dolls? I know everybody call like they people dolls, but I think I'm gonna call y'all Chyna dolls because y'all my dolls, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gonna go with Chyna dolls. Hence I got on this bang, right? But yeah, this bang about to come off because she getting on my nerve already and it's high. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. And if you want to become a Chyna doll, click that bell below. Why you not subscribed yet? What you doing? You should be subscribed. Like, what you doing? I'll see y'all in my next video.